Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting safe and precise. Put on cut-resistant gloves and eye protection, and angle a bright light so you can see edges clearly. Once done, inspect the stainless steel blade for rust, nicks, or a 0.5 mm burr. Remove debris with 70% isopropyl. Make sure to clamp the workpiece firmly, set the blade angle and cutting depth now, and only then power the tool. This prevents chatter and ensures your first cut will track true. You begin the cut by maintaining a steady feed. Do not force the blade. Let it do the work or you'll cause binding and heat. Once you engage, keep a consistent path and maintain about 1/8 inch clearance from any guards. Smooth, continuous motion reduces chatter. Make sure to apply a light lubricant or coolant spray every 30 to 60 seconds to control temperature and prevent work hardening. If you slow, retract slightly, then resume at the same steady pace. You complete the cut by lowering speed near the end point and easing off pressure to avoid splintering, then back the blade out and secure the part. Once done, deburr edges with a fine file or stone, clean with solvent, and verify measurements to a 0.5 mm tolerance. If you encounter a bind or roughness, stop immediately, retract the blade, inspect mounting, check tooth condition, and clear chips. That one troubleshooting step prevents blade damage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.